G'day from beautiful BEACHSIDE. Yeah, I'm still here. So I was going to make one video, but the agent just kept sending me more to look at. So the first video was studios and one bedders and cheap, and now I'm going to show you some great two bedders. But yeah, this is midweek or towards the end of the week in BEACHSIDE. Beautiful. And a quick shout out. I haven't done this for a long time because no one buys me coffees anymore, but just recently, Daryl, Dazza from Australia, Mark, thank you, and Pauline and Richard overnight have bought coffee. So I'm not e-begging, guys, but YouTube just doesn't pay. So my YouTube money comes from people watching the ads, and if you want to help me, just watch the ads or get up and make a cup of tea, cup of coffee, get a beer, get a cold drink, go to the toilet, whatever. That really helps. That's how I get paid. Let's go and check out these condos. Look at that for a view. So Del Mar, I've been here. This is Mirage. I was going to rent here. Sue's with me, and the monster, because this is one of the only or one of the very few pet-friendly buildings. And this is a 77 square metre, 2-bedroom on the 7th floor. And that's all owned by the Navy, this land, and they just grow potatoes and
Look at the view.
will probably never be built out. But you've got a nice big wraparound balcony, washing machine, and nice and quiet here. I'll show you inside. And the monster's just walking around making herself at home. But you can open all these windows, so you can get a nice breeze. I'm through the window here. Got a nice L-shaped lounge / sofa. Couple of armchairs, decent sized TV. Kitchen. Another bedroom. It's got a queen size bed. There's your vacuum cleaner. So we were in a previous video, AD Condos just there. Anyway, you'll see it on the screen, the location, Mirage. Only 8 levels, which is good. It's your ensuite. Look at the size of that. It's a queen size bed too. And you get another balcony in the main bedroom. $30,000 a month. So we'll have a look at a one-bedder here as well. And the Rooftop Facilities, which are awesome. I've shown them so many times here too. Apologies if you've seen them all before. And we're going to Cicerone to have a look at I think it's 117 square metre, 2-bedder. So I won't go in there. There's the gym. His and hers. Toilets, of course. Yoga room. And this room here I've shown before. Whoops, someone in here.
Hello.
Hello. You can chill out. Aircon. And they've got a barbecue area here. So you can order food or you can cook food, chill out here. So in the morning where Sue's sitting, there'd be no sun, early. Chill out here. And you gotta look at that. Nice view. Righto. Next. Okay, 1 bedroom at sorry, what am I saying? Too many condos today. Mirage. 1 better, 34.77 square metres. There's your balcony. Glimpses of the sea through there, Del Mare. These are sofa beds, these 2-seater leather or leather look. And this is 13,000 baht a month and available short term. So you've got a Jack and Jill, that's the front door there, electric key card. So you can access the bathroom this way, or this way. Nice big. Just met that buddy down there. Used to live at Dusit Grand Park too. He's been here at Mirage, now he's going to SEAVIEWS. Exhaust fan. Quite like Mirage. Nearly lived here. See you soon. We're going to see Saran, big 2-better. We've got a vending machine here with drinks and a couple of snacks down the bottom. This is reception, beautifully air conditioned. Lovely lady on reception. Cocktail cup. And that's our awesome CRV there. Great car. Might sell it if anyone wants to, because I'll put this in another car video. I sold the Mazda 3 to Steve, and Steve, if you're watching, I know your girlfriend loves the car, and he wanted to buy it off someone that he could trust, and you guys all know I'm a mechanic by trade, and I am super fussy. So I knew that car was good, and I've done exactly the same with the CRV. The CRV was owned by someone that had something to do with the royal family, her surname. Sue spotted it straight away in the blue book. And always serviced at Honda. I've just had it serviced. Great car. So I figured if I can help you guys, because it's all very daunting when you're here to try and buy a car, especially from a dealer, and I'm happy to sell. I don't need to make a profit, maybe just cover my costs. But I will show you the CRV in another video, all to do with buying cars and bikes and what the process is, transferring the blue book, green book on a bike, paying your road tax, your CTP, compulsory third party, all that kind of thing. Pop and cup. So just back here to Mirage, they've got bicycles you can use, which is awesome, with baskets. So you can ride to 7-Eleven, ride to the beach, ride to Beach Road where the restaurants are. Awesome. So we're leaving Mirage, and if you go straight up there and go to the right, you're up on Sukhumvit. Come down here, get to the beach. So if you live there, personally I would probably suggest having a bike, push bike, electric mountain bike, electric scooter or a petrol scooter or even a car. But even though you can have everything delivered, Grab delivers food, groceries, um, everything's fairly easy, but it's just makes life a lot easier to have a car or a bike. And you can always rent a bike, not that expensive, about 4,000 baht a month for a Click 160 or an ADB 160. There you go, the beach. Great restaurant just up there called Beach. And you guys will remember my videos hanging over that pool edge in Del Mar. Awesome. It's good to be back in the Bangsaray. Seriously, so this is a 2-bedder in C Saran, and it is 117 square meters for 28,000. Let's go and have a look. My apologies, it's 114 square meter 2-bedroom. On the 8th floor, you've got sea views overlooking Bangsaray. And I'm standing on one of 4 balconies. I think that's right. 28,000 a month, 114 square meters. Your AC up there, you got your wardrobe. Spot for your suitcases. Hot water. So that's the ensuite. This big long hallway. This is the 2nd bedroom. Decent. Queen size bed. Balcony number 2. And again, the same view. There's a 2-way bathroom here. That's the front door. Lips are down the end. Dining table for 6. Big kitchen. No oven, but a 4-burner. Toaster, jug, microwave, range hood. Nice L-shaped lounge. Sofa bed there. So if you think this is a bit of a strange layout, I think this was a room that was combined. A couple of 1-bedrooms or maybe even 3 or something, who knows. Balcony number 3, same view. And balcony number 4. We'll go up to the rooftop and check out the facilities because they're nice here too. Great rooftop pool. And there's the ocean, or the sea I should say. And off in the distance, Pattaya and Jomtien. You can wash your clothes over there. It's called The Wash, coin operated laundromat. Or negotiate and get a washing machine put in here. So rooftop, see surround, you've got that grass area there and a gym here. I won't go in because there's people working out, but you've got a couple of treadmills, weights, different machines, yoga balls. And then up here, got another awesome rooftop pool. Showers, cabanas with cushions. Awesome for relaxing. Wow, look at that. Look at that view. Amazing. Security here at Sea Saran. And I'll just show you getting into town. Very, very quick and easy. So you've seen lots of different roads in these couple of videos on Bangsaray, the studio for 6,500 baht a month, or 6,000 if you pay 12 months up front. So that's part of the same group, this Condo. That's part of Sisaran. We've got a cafe there. And they're building nice villas here.
11.9 million start.
They're going to be very nice. Anyway. That's where they're building Eco Resort, I think it's called. And this is the Sisaran office right here. And I think I know that guy. And yeah, the Bangsaray market there. Another place where you can wash your laundry, coin operated. And here we are again, back in the heart of Bangsaray. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Thanks, Sue,
Thank you.
for tagging along. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Got my moving to Pattaya guide. Bangsaray is an awesome place, guys. It is super close to Pattaya. Super close. See you in the next video. Might be a car one. Don't know. Might be travel.